Long-distance moves are stressful, even when everything goes according to plan. Knowing where to start, then when to go next, and so on can become overwhelming. There are a few simple ways to keep the process in check and reduce the unnecessary stresses of a long-distance move. Start off with making a checklist. Keep yourself organized. Next, ask for help from friends and family, and especially a professional moving company. You should also plan for your trip and your arrival to account for travel time. In addition, you should also keep in contact with everyone who has agreed to help you to make sure you all stay on the same page. Finally, you should always try to get professionals involved. The qualified movers at A to Z Valley-wide Movers are trained to handle all the heavy lifting. For more information about our extensive moving services, contact us today at 602-422-6409 or visit our website at azvalleywidemovers.com.